All you need is to have time with yourself. It's day 12 of Project 50, and I'm done with my morning task, which is rather than prioritizing myself first, this time is my yun nga, mga kapatid ko muna. So I'm done with them. Andun na sila sa school, and yeah, it's 8 a.m. na ng umaga since nagligpit pa ako sa bahay, so medyo late na rin ako. So yeah, still this one is morning routine without distractions. And oh crap, naglalaba. Alright, so since may tao sa sapa and may naglalaba, and I don't do this with people because I only want to talk with myself, and so there's another way. I'm going to cemetery, which is malapit lang dito. Yeah, I'm not saying na nahihiya ako kasi andun sila or what, but gusto ko lang is every time na pumupunta ako doon, isa ko lang mag-isa, because I'm building that solitude relationship with myself. So yeah, siguro maybe later I'll go back there, but this time we're going to cemetery. Yep. And so yeah, we're here. Yeah, so I'm here na sa cemetery since konti lang naman yung taong dumadalaw dito sa mga patay. So yeah, this is actually a great place though. Yeah, there's a lot of, yeah, you know, every time na nakakita ko ng ganyang lapid, actually I feel like I'm wasting, no, not wasting, I feel like I'm running out of time. Syempre I know naman na I'll be there din too, pero ayoko pa naman now. So yeah, before I die, gusto ko nagawa ko na lahat ng gusto ko, and yun nga, I still have a lot of dreams to fulfill. Hey Bubita! Yeah, that's our dog here. Her name's Bubita. Uy, dodging. So yeah, I find Hi, hello. So yeah, I already find my spot, which is here. Pero yun nga, medyo maingay dito. So today we're not going to talk about problems today, naman. Till now nag-stutter pa rin ako, pero it's okay, that's always a part. And that is actually one of the reasons why I'm recording myself. And to be honest, just let you know, I'm actually not good at speaking in English. I'm just practicing every time I record myself. I'm just practicing how to talk, how to speak in English. But in my current situation, I'm supposed to learn Bicol, but yeah, hindi ko talaga siya magets kasi hindi ko talaga siya pinaglalaan ng aralin. So because right now I'm actually studying how to speak English, because I actually know the basics, but I actually want to speak more fluent without stuttering. So that is actually the point. And yeah, and I start recording myself because I'm not that confident. I'm always afraid to hold this camera and talk to myself, and because I always think that people will look at me, will tell something shit about me. That's it. So yeah, to be honest, if you want to start to like talking to yourself, like recording your whole day, your a day in life, you actually don't need to be shy, because when you understand when you understand that people actually don't care about what you're doing right now, yeah, you're just going to do it. Like for example, you saw a person that recording himself or herself. What are you going to do? Diba minsan tinitingnan mo lang siya like, oh wow, like wala ka namang sinasabi, like ano bang pake mo if nag-record siya, like for example sa mall, sa bayan, or somewhat. But I'll be there too, pero for now I just want this opportunity to have conversation with myself, to improve myself just by my own, because actually you're the only person na meron ka, to be honest. Hanggat hindi ka pa nawawala sa sarili mo, you still hope, you still have yourself. If you feel na wala nang tao dyan para sa'yo, so all you need is to have time with yourself. And actually, I never talked to myself before. Like since I started this Project 50, dun lang ako nagkaroon ng opportunity to talk with myself. So yeah, and today I'll try to record my whole day routine, since hindi ko pa siya nare-record masyado. And just let you know, yung day 1 ko is nasa TikTok. And yeah, and watching those days, I actually noticed that I've gained such an improvement. And actually the important thing here is just showing up. Even though I failed last day, which is my day 10, I still continue this Project 50, because my goal is actually not what is this, my goal is actually to have a habit na I woke up early without distraction, I read, I focus on that one skill, I work out, I sleep early, so on and so forth. So I want those things na maging habit ko, and actually posting a content every single day na, yeah, because kung ano yung ginagawa mo every day, like every single day, ikaw yan in the future. So yeah, that's it. So yun lang, you just need to have time, relationship with yourself. At first I'm actually just talking to the mirror, and talking with yourself actually make you look stupid, because they'll think you're crazy, you're out of mind or something, because you don't do something such as what average people do. You do such a thing na parang kakaiba, like parang bago sa paningin nila or what. So kaya mo sila, men. If just in case na magsasalita man sila ng something crazy, sabi nila ang cringe, it's okay, that's their perspective about what I'm doing. Kasi iba naman kasi yung iniisip ko sa ginagawa ko, and sa iniisip nila sa ginagawa mo. So yeah, and yun nga. And after this, I think I'll go back to the small river to still meditate and to take a bath. And yeah, because this every morning is the only opportunity I have to talk with myself. And yeah, because throughout the day may mga ginagawa na ako niyan. I'm after after this, I go home, I read, magkikililinis na ako nun, I focus on that one skill, take a nap, and then continue the thing, work out, take a nap. I always take a nap because every time I take a nap, doon ako nagkakaroon ng energy to focus, to do something throughout the day. Like kahit 5 minutes lang or 10 minutes na nap, that's actually worth it. Kesa naman dun sa gagawa ka ng such task the whole day na inaanto ka, hindi ka talaga makapag-focus, promise. So yeah, that's the thing. So actually I'm having a plan na today I'll go to the gym because look, actually may nababawasan na yung calories ko. Unlike before na sobrang kapal niya and dumudugo pa yan minsan, like pag nag-deadlift ako or what. So today is I'll go to the gym. Pero pag di ako nakapunta ng gym, I'll work out here sa bahay. So about gym, I have a plan na I know it sounds crazy, but I'll try to combine these three, which is the first is powerlifting, which is my favorite one, and then the second is calisthenics and boxing. I actually don't know if it's possible to combine those three, but who knows. I'm just believing in my own delusion, you know, that even though it's possible, even though it's impossible, like sabi nila, it's impossible because a boxer don't lift heavyweight. No. I don't know, but we'll try and we'll be there soon. So about the skill that I'm studying, I'm actually studying trading. And yun nga, if you're studying trading too, you can actually go to babypips.com because that's actually a free course for beginner trading. And I'm actually been studying trading since I entered this Project 50. So it's been 12 days since I'm studying trading. So I still don't know the chart. I'm just knowing what is forex, what is this, what is that. That's it. So yeah, while wala pa akong ginagawa and I have no work, I have no school, which is I'm supposed to have those two. Yeah. So yun nga, maghanap ako ng gagawa na pala ako ng resume. So that's it. So I still try to record my daily routine, to be honest. So voila, so this is day 12 of Project 50. And yeah, I'll go back na there sa Sapa to continue my daily task. So that's it. Today was great, to be honest. The starting of our journey is great. So voila. Wow. So far so good. So we're back here. And yeah, so far wala na mga tao. And yun nga. So before, I actually thought na since I'm new here sa Bicol, is papangit yung routines ko, and yeah, hindi ko siya agad tinignan as a beautiful thing. But imagine every time you woke up, you go to this small river to have time with yourself, because this is actually just like a swimming pool, to be honest. Pero yun nga, in Cavite may ganito pero sobrang layo, but here it's actually sobrang lapit lang. That's why I can do this every single day. And yeah, that's actually the one thing that I've learned here, is to appreciate small things. So that's it. And plus, this is actually a better quality time with myself since my girl broke up with me. So this is actually a pretty much better way na hindi na lang siguro muna bumalik ng silang. Because you know you what. Pero I actually have that opportunity last time to go back there. Like, pero hindi ko na muna ginrab since I want to learn in a new environment. And yeah, madami pang ang pangyayari and so forth and so. Kahit, even though there's a lot of problem here, as long as I'm with this river, it's actually pretty good. Yeah. So that's it. Wale, I'll meditate now.